Hi, officer.
Good. You gonna answer the door?
Uh, I'm answering it through my Ring doorbell.
Okay, what's going on? Why am I here?
Uh, Somebody came banging on my apartment door, um, probably about 20 minutes ago. I thought it was my neighbor across the hall, Corey, but I checked the Ring doorbell footage, and it seemed to be somebody else.
Did you recognize?
I'm sorry, what was that?
Did you recognize the person? Who was it?
It was the person in apartment 2, I believe.
Two. Okay. What was he?
Yeah. What?
What was he wearing tonight?
I think it was a blue shirt.
Oh.
I have the video and everything, but I'm just a little off put, so I'm just going to talk to you through the doorbell if that's all right.
Okay. So all he did was bang on your door.
He was banging it really hard, like he was going to break it down.
Okay. I'll see if anybody's home in apartment two.
Thank you.
Yep.